Why you're always broke, even if you earn more money. Have you ever looked at your bank account and thought, I make more money than I used to, so why am I still broke? Here's something that might surprise you. The problem probably isn't your paycheck. It's the invisible habit that's quietly stealing every raise you've ever earned. Stay until the end, because I'm going to show you the one mindset shift that has helped ordinary people build wealth, even without earning six figures. Once you see it, you'll never look at money the same way again. Most people believe that making more money will solve all their financial problems. If I could just get a better job, if I earned another $1,000 a month, then I'd finally be financially free. But here's the reality. Millions of people with high incomes still live paycheck to paycheck. Some professional athletes go bankrupt. Some celebrities earn millions and lose it all. So if earning more money isn't enough, what is? Imagine you get a promotion. Your salary goes up. You celebrate by buying a newer car, then a bigger TV, a more expensive phone, more subscriptions, nicer clothes, better restaurants. Before long, your expenses have grown just as fast as your income. You aren't richer. You've simply upgraded your lifestyle. This is called lifestyle inflation. The more you earn, the more you feel like you deserve to spend. And that's exactly how many people stay broke while earning more every year. Here's another trap. We often spend money to feel better. Had a stressful day? Order takeout. Feeling bored? Go shopping. Want people to think you're successful? Buy things you can't really afford. The purchase gives you excitement, but only for a moment. Then the feeling fades, and the bill arrives. The cycle repeats. Real wealth isn't built through emotional decisions. It's built through intentional ones. The wealthiest people don't always look wealthy. Many drive reliable cars. They avoid unnecessary debt. They invest before they spend. Meanwhile, someone else is trying to impress everyone. Designer clothes, luxury cars, latest gadgets, expensive vacations. From the outside, they look successful, but behind the scenes, they're drowning in payments. Remember this. Looking rich costs money. Being rich creates freedom. Here's the habit that changes lives. Every time money comes in, pay your future first, before buying anything else. Set aside money for savings, investments, emergency funds. Your future deserves to get paid before your wants do. The wealthy don't save what's left after spending. They spend what's left after saving. That one habit creates a completely different financial future. Imagine two people earning exactly the same income. One spends every raise. The other invests every raise. 10 years later, one is still worrying about bills. The other owns investments that keep growing. The difference wasn't luck. It wasn't intelligence. It was discipline. Small decisions, repeated over time, create extraordinary results. Your income can change your lifestyle, but your habits change your future. You don't need to become a millionaire overnight. You only need to make one better financial decision today than you made yesterday. Every dollar has a job. Give it a purpose. Because if you don't tell your money where to go, you'll always wonder where it went. If this message changed the way you think about money, leave a comment with "I'm choosing wealth." And don't forget to subscribe to Smart Toro Money Tips for more practical money tips that can help you build lasting financial freedom, one smart decision at a time. Thanks for watching till the end. See you in the next video.